All right, good evening, guys. Kenneth Tortoise Capital Nightly Strategy Podcast for November 25th, 2022. We'll start with the sniper trade of the day. This one is Cliff Natural Resources, 3 minutes. No surprise, metals have been in play. They're always in play. Here was yesterday's close. Here was the open. That's the gap down. It's a large gap. It's almost 2 MMRBs. It reverses to the high, and then the next bar takes off and starts going. So we put a entry in with a standard risk box. And I like that it took off that extra yesterday's, like that last little high of yesterday's closing range. It's not necessary, but it's always interesting. All right, by this point, we should be at no lose plus dinner for two, somewhere in this bar, which opened here and then made a new high, like right there. By the time price gets to here and has taken off, we should be able to move our stop up to about here and just lock in. We want to lock in that little wedge. Declare that a no lose plus dinner for two. That's where it's our money. And then we will have taken this much risk. That risk, that 1 hour risk, is off the table. Check or hold.